Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase the lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To access and replace the tail light bulbs, you need to open the car trunk and take out the headlight housing. To remove the light block, you must remove the 2 screws which are located in the trunk. To do this, open the carpet in the 2 locations cut out beforehand and unscrew the lock nuts using a 17mm spanner. Extract the light block, pulling it towards you. Remove the connection to the connector board by pushing on the plastic tab with your index finger or while pulling it towards you. To access the bulbs, unscrew the 4 holding screws on the connector board using a Phillips screwdriver. Each bulb is removed in the same way. Push it in and unscrew with a 1/4 turn. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. To reassemble the whole thing, carefully put the connector board in place. Then screw the screws back in. You can then reconnect the connector. Insert the light into the compartment. Finish by screwing the 2 holding lock nuts with a key. Operation completed.